Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate Fido eSIM for iPhone online. So first of all, just go to your mobile browser and open the Fido eSIM website and just find the QR code. And once you find the QR code, just go to the settings of your mobile phone. And once you're into the settings, you'll be seeing an option, this one, like mobile services, or like an option called eSIM. And if you're not able to see any of those options, just search your eSIM into your iPhone, and after that you will be seeing this option called add eSIM. So just go to this settings eSIM, and it will take a few seconds to load, so wait for it until it loads and make sure do not quit it. And after that you will be seeing this kind of option like setup mobile services, and from here you will be seeing these two options, transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. So just choose the second option, use QR code. And once you click here, you'll be seeing this kind of option like scan QR code, or you can just enter details manually as well. And you'll be finding this information on your Fido eSIM, either you are like on the website or you have any kind of card. And after that you can just like enter the details and click on next, and after that just click on activate, and it will take a few seconds to activate your Fido eSIM into your iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.